Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, everyone. I'm Julie.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here today.
Today's topic is talk about your hometown.
You will learn easy words, useful phrases, and a simple English conversation.
This lesson is perfect for beginners from A1 to A2 level.
Remember our learning steps today. Listen, learn, try it.
If you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to subscribe and join us every week.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Part 1. Listen. Julie, where is your hometown?
My hometown is Greenfield. It's a small town.
Oh, nice. Is it a busy town?
No, it isn't. It's quiet and peaceful.
That sounds lovely.
What about your hometown?
My hometown is Riverside City. It's bigger than yours.
Is it crowded?
Yes, sometimes. There are many people, shops, and restaurants.
Great! Everyone, did you hear these words? Hometown, city, town, quiet, busy, peaceful, crowded. Let's learn them together.
Part 2. Learn new vocabulary. Word number 1. Hometown. Your hometown is the place where you grew up. Example, my hometown is small. Can you say it? Great job!
Word number 2. Quiet. Quiet means there is not much noise. Example, my neighborhood is quiet. Say it with me. Quiet. Excellent.
Word number 3. Busy. Busy means many people or many cars. Example, the city is busy. One more time. The city is busy. Nice work. Word number 4. Peaceful. Peaceful means calm and relaxing. Example, the park is peaceful. Very good. Word number 5. Crowded. Crowded means many people are in one place. Example, the market is crowded. Repeat it. The market is crowded. You're doing great.
Part 3. Useful phrases.
Now let's learn some useful sentences. Phrase number 1. Where is your hometown? Repeat. Where is your hometown? Wonderful.
Answer. My hometown is in Canada. Or, my hometown is in Japan. Or, my hometown is in Brazil. Very easy.
Phrase number 2. It is a small town. Repeat. It is a small town. Excellent.
Phrase number 3. It is a beautiful city. Repeat. It is a beautiful city. Nice work.
Phrase number 4. There are many parks. Repeat. There are many parks. Perfect.
Phrase number 5. People are friendly. Again. People are friendly. Very good.
Part 4. Real English conversation.
Let's listen to a real conversation. After that, you can try it yourself.
Hi, Julie.
Hi, John.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is Greenfield.
Is it big?
No, it's a small town.
Is it busy?
No, it's quiet and peaceful.
What do you like about your hometown?
I like the parks and the friendly people.
That sounds wonderful.
What about your hometown?
My hometown is Riverside City. It's bigger and busier. There are many restaurants and shopping malls.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I do. I like the food and the parks.
Part 5. Your turn.
Now it's your turn. Listen to John's question. Answer after the pause. Ready?
Where is your hometown? Very nice.
Is it a city or a town? Great.
Is it busy or quiet? Excellent.
What do you like about your hometown? Fantastic! Keep speaking English every day. You're improving.
Part 6. More easy examples. Here are more simple sentences. Listen carefully. I live in a small town. There are many trees. People are friendly. The streets are clean. There is a beautiful park. I walk there every evening. I love my hometown. Now listen again. I live in a small town. There are many trees. People are friendly. The streets are clean. There is a beautiful park. I walk there every evening. I love my hometown. Great listening. Part 7. Quick review. Let's review today's words. Hometown, city, town, quiet, busy, peaceful, crowded, friendly, park, restaurant, excellent. Now let's review our useful phrases. Where is your hometown? My hometown is... It is a small town. It is a beautiful city. There are many parks. People are friendly. Fantastic. Wrap up! You did an amazing job today. Today, you learned new vocabulary, useful phrases, and a real English conversation about your hometown. Remember, listen, learn, try it. Practice a little every day. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Keep practicing. Before we go, here's today's fun question. What is your hometown like? Is it busy or quiet? What do you like about it? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to read your answers. Thank you so much for learning English with us today. See you in the next lesson. John and... Bye! Have a wonderful day and keep practicing your English.